From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if you could transform your bedroom into a serene oasis with just one simple addition? The Bedspread Bed Household Heads-Up Single from Generic is a game changer. This top-rated bedspread is designed to provide you with a comfortable and relaxing sleeping experience. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its exceptional quality and performance. One of the key benefits of this bedspread is its color fastness, which can withstand time and washing without fading. You can machine wash it without worrying about deformation or shrinkage, and it will still feel soft and delicate to the touch. The fabric is absorbent, allowing you to sleep directly on it without any discomfort. The solid fiber seam is also washable and resistant to knotting, making it a low-maintenance option. The bedspread can wrap your mattress tightly, providing a soft and smooth surface to sleep on. This is due to its unique fabric and design, which feels softer to the touch than other bedspreads. In real-life use, this bedspread is perfect for anyone who wants to upgrade their bedroom with a comfortable and stylish addition. It's also great for guest rooms or vacation homes, where you want to provide a cozy and inviting atmosphere for your guests. Overall, the Bedspread Bed Household Heads-Up Single is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality bedspread that is easy to set up and maintain. Its unique features and benefits make it stand out from other bedspreads on the market, and its popularity among customers is a testament to its exceptional performance. If you're looking to elevate your sleeping experience, consider giving this bedspread a try. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.